Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be going over my online and extra income for the month of August. I've been working on my online business for years and it has been paying off. I do consistently make over $1,000 each month now, and I do like to document that so you can see where my money is coming from. Also the extra income that I make that includes anything outside of my online business, and then my business expenses so you can get an expectation of what to spend if you're running a couple of YouTube channels and a couple of blogs. So I'm going to start with my online and business income and try to do this smallest to largest. So let's just jump right into it. The smallest one, which is usually the smallest, affiliate sales, and that came to $10.45. Next is Etsy, which doesn't usually pop up on here just because my Etsy shop, the way it's organized, I don't make much money from it. When I make a sale, a lot of it is through a third-party service, so they keep the bulk of the money just because of the way it's set up. But I had so many orders in the month of August, so thank you so much to the people who did choose to support me through that platform. I always have it linked down below, and I earned $26.18. Another one that isn't always on here is Teachable, which is a platform for hosting courses. I do have a couple of courses, one on self-discipline and one on achieving your goals. Those are also always linked down below. And I had a couple of people purchase those. And thank you, first of all, because those did take a lot of time to create. I made them last year or a couple of years ago. And from that, I got $108.48. Next is Mediavine, which are display ads on my lifestyle blog, livinglikeleila.com. And this is a little bit higher at $111.21. This is basically all passive at this point. I have not written on this far away. I have not written on that blog since January of this year, so it's basically all passive at this point, but I would like to get back into actively working on it and increasing that. Next is Buy Me a Coffee, or Buy Me a Debt Payment, which is what I set it at, and this is a support platform that I have linked down below, and a lot of people from this channel do help me out through that, and I made $134.57, which is amazing, and I'm so grateful to all of you who helped me out. It all goes to my debt. Next is coaching, financial coaching, which I do offer, and I made $200 even. And then the last thing is Google AdSense, which is from YouTube. I do have 2 YouTube channels, but I earn the most of the money from this channel that you're watching. And it jumped up a little bit for the month of August, luckily, $491.35, which isn't too bad. And this came from my earnings in July. So I think that's pretty decent, almost 500 bucks. Basically like 400 something of this is from this channel, and then probably like 70 bucks is from my other channel, which is just lifestyle. I just share my life. But that is it for my online and extra income. And this did come to $1,082.24. So we did reach my goal for the month. Next, we go into extra income. This is everything outside of that. So credit card, cash back, it could be refunds, could be gifts, redeeming cash on apps, whatever it may be. Okay, I'm gonna try to do this in order as well. So the first one is Bank of America cash rewards card. And I didn't make too much, but every little bit counts, and that was $14.19. Next, my Chase rewards card, which is one of my favorite reward cards. It's like the Flex Freedom card. I made $21.30. Next is Ibotta, which is a coupon app. I had a couple of people use my referral link for this, plus I scanned some of my products / receipts, so I got $23. From the app Fetch, which I also have linked down below, I got an Amazon gift card. I finally reached 25,000 points, and that was $25 for Amazon, which I do still count as extra income because you can buy really anything on Amazon. Next, I got a medical bill refund because the company, I don't know, whoever filed this filed it incorrectly, so I did get a refund for that, and that was $50.35. Then we have Rakuten. This all came from referrals, and this is always linked down below as well. That was $60. I do use that, but just because I haven't been online shopping lately, I haven't used it. So $60 from 2 referrals. Thank you so much to whoever used my link, and I do have that link down below. Then the next one is going to be Simply Codes. I'm gonna put UT for user testing, and I got $75 from that. So this is gonna be the last of it. They did end that user testing in the month of August. So this is it, but I've made a couple hundred from them. Some people have asked me if they can get more information on this. This was just like a one-time thing. I had the opportunity. They reached out like through my email. So yeah, it's not like open to the public. It's done with. So it did get 75 though in the month of August. Next is Discover Cashback, and this one's higher just because of a referral. So from cashback I got $26.54, but with the referral of $50 I got $76.54. So I'll put 50 was a referral, and I really love this card because I will get any of the cash back that I earn. You get a match after 1 year with the card, so literally double your cash back. So if you make $500 from cash back, they will give you $500 after a year. However, when you get a referral, which my referral link is down below, but you get $50, I get $50, that does not get matched, just FYI. So it's just the money that you actually get cash back on, like things that you spend money on. So it is a great card though, I really like it. And everything is linked down below. Okay, and the final and largest thing, which technically isn't like, I don't know, it's not extra income, but it is a refund, so I'm gonna count it because I had spent this in April and I just got it in August. So I got a surgery refund. I had surgery back in April that I definitely paid too much for. $772.37 too much. And they finally realized that and did give me the refund that came in the mail. Thank goodness. And I'm very excited about that. So I use that money to put toward my debt savings, as you all see in my Transfer Tuesdays, and it helps a ton. Now, I will say that when I filmed my August update, I put the wrong number. I didn't account for something. It was like, I think it was $50 short. I think I forgot to include this referral or something. So that number was wrong, but it is a little higher. $1,117.75 is what I made in extra income. Obviously, the bulk of that is this refund, but I will take it. That is amazing. The next thing I want to go over are my business expenses, and this will be really quick because I only had one thing. There's just a few months in the year that I spend a lot, and then there's a few months where I barely spend anything, and I like those months because, yeah, it's just awesome. So all I paid for was Google Workspace for 2 of my emails, and that was just $12. So that is it. That's my only business expense, was 2 times Google Workspace, $6 each, and that is a total of $12. Yeah, it's pretty incredible how much. This is amazing. I mean, you can see here, this is over $2,000, and obviously this is helping me to save more for my debt, save money just in general, invest money. It is absolutely amazing. I highly encourage you to start a side hustle, start a YouTube channel, start a blog, whatever it is that you're thinking about, just go ahead and start it. And the longer you wait, the longer, obviously the more time goes, of course. So if you're just doing research or just pondering on it, there's no point of wasting time. Just do it, just go for it. And definitely, if you're a responsible credit card user, take advantage of those credit cards because you can definitely make a lot. And also stay on top of your insurance, stay on top of all the medical bills that come through, because both of these I would not have received if I didn't keep calling. I guarantee you I would have not gotten anything about that. And also, if you're okay with downloading apps and scanning receipts and such, then go ahead and try out Ibotta or Fetch or Rakuten, or even Simply Codes, because Simply Codes does help you to save money too. You can't do the user testing, but you can download the Chrome extension. So with all of this, just definitely take advantage of the internets and the apps and everything that you can that's out there, because it all adds up and it will continue to grow as you go. And I'm the perfect example of that, because this took a while to get to, but I'm glad I stuck with it. So that is it for my month of August. Thank you all so much for watching. You are a big part of this, so I greatly appreciate you. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video.